Who else is coming to your party? Lummy?
Lummy?
Yes?
Wait, Mum, I'm just going to go on.
What about Layla?
Yeah, Layla.
Which Layla is it?
Layla I.
What about the other Layla?
Yeah, Layla. Layla. I don't know that Layla.
Oh, okay.
I don't know her.
What about Mara?
You mean Mahra?
Mahra.
Mahra, yeah. That means I need. So.
She's coming?
So.
Is Mahra coming?
So how much bells do I have so far?
Quite a few.
How much?
Let's just go through the list and then I'll give you the number. What about Mariam?
I know Mariam. Yes. No, yes, it's a different Mariam.
Okay. Oh, what about Mizan?
No.
No, why not?
Why? Because he's always crying and bossing. He's just bossing people and he's crying.
Okay. What about Muhammad?
Yeah.
Okay. What about Moza?
Moza.
Yes?
Yes. Mom, can you do the list? Can you go through the list now?
I'll tell you in a minute. What about Mukhtar?
Mukhtar.
Mukhtar.
No.
No. Aww. What about
Mukhtar?
What about Rahman?
Rahman.
Rahman?
It's Rahman, but...
Rahman?
Yeah.
Okay. What about Salama?
Yeah.
Sama?
Yeah.
Sama?
Yeah. Have you got Aisha?
Yes. Shahad?
Shahad. No, I really got Shahad.
Yeah. What about Tukit?
We'll write Mark and Tukit.
Okay. What about Thani?
I know Thani. Thani. It's a different. I know.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
William?
Yep.
And Zayan?
Yeah.
Okay, Bobby, there's only two people who you haven't invited, Mizan and Isa.
And Mokhtar.
And Mokhtar, yes, I think that you're right. I think we should invite them because there are only 3 people who are left off the list. That's sad.
No.
I'm going to read you a story. It's called Hooper Humperdinck, Not Him. I'm going to read you that story tonight, okay?